Welcome to Encoder IT Limited. We are describing Meeting Schedule Manager custom WordPress plugin. So this is the dashboard. You can see all the main features are showing here. So what this plugin does, it says meeting to supplier and to buyers. We are calling buyers as attendee and suppliers as vendor. So let's add a event. So this is event adder. So we are adding an event. This is the event start date, event end date, ranking deadline. Ranking means supplier or vendor can rank their attendee. Schedule deadline. Schedule deadline means when the email will be sent. So event is added. You can go and edit the event as well. You can add time slot. I mean, how many slots are available for each event. So we have successfully added the time slots for this specific event. Now we are it is updated, and now we are adding the locations. You can add any predefined location, or you can add new from here as well. So location successfully added. If you refresh, you see those are selected already, and you can also add new from here as well. You can see there is only there was only 3, and now it is 4. In the event section, you can see the locations as well. These are the option to send email to vendor and attendee. There is already a template for that, so you can edit the template and send email to those people. Here is a list of attendee. You can add new attendee and their contacts. Attendee means the buyer. Rank provider is the checkbox, so that that man can provide rank to vendor. Group count, I mean how many meeting they can attend at the same time. That is group count. You can also edit it from here. It is already added. So the attendee is done. So those are the contacts. So we are showing the first name in the list. So for this event, you can send email to other people, I mean attendee and vendor. So this is the template from where they can send the email, or you can schedule the email on a specific time. Okay, mail successfully sent. So you see the placeholder, the name changed, and this is the email. When you go to that link, you will see the option to rank your vendors. You can move up, move down, and you can then submit. After submitting, then you can also submit like this. So this function is to pick which vendor you like. And there will be automatically email report generating. You see those emails are sent and those are in the mail log. So when someone is submitting the ranking, then it is showing in the admin panel that that person, yes, that person is submitted the ranking. So everything is saved in the admin log. This is another email template. For vendors. So there are only 2 vendors right now, and within 2 vendors there are multiple contacts. It means that within a company, how many people will get the email. So each vendor can have multiple contacts. Send email. It will take some time to send email. The email spam issue will cause due to the server email server settings. We are using the demo emails, so that is why those are going to the spam. This is the vendor email report for the vendors, and currently there is no email sent, so it is empty. And now he is receiving the email, the vendor, and he can now change the order. There are 2 time slots available here, and they can pick 2 from here. Okay, the vendor successfully added the attendee, and using Ajax it is saved. So vendor also set the attendee as well. So the matching is done. So the final step is to do the master scheduling. In the master scheduling section, admin can approve any any set of schedule, and all the email report is automatically generated in the WordPress admin panel. After confirmation of the schedule, the user can see which schedule is confirmed using another email. Admin have the power to change anything in the schedule, and can make a schedule active and change the location. Everything can be set from the admin panel as well. There is CSV import as well. And also, yeah, there is a CSV import. So I have downloaded an example CSV and now we'll import it. So I'll show on the functions to import from CSV. So 3 uploaded, get attendee 2, and if you see the contact, one attendee has 1 contact and another attendee has 2 contacts, so in total 3 contacts added. I am showing from the CSV as well. Same for the vendor. There is option to import vendor from the CSV files. You see the vendors are also added, so 3 vendor contact has been added. As I told earlier, in one vendor there can be multiple contacts. the same thing. I'm showing the event section again, and also on the link created, it is unique, and it is sent to each of the vendor and attendee, and other people cannot access that link. Thank you for watching.